Very good day to all of you. I'm Iffat with the channel English with Iffat Malik. I'm the non-native speaker of English language. Non-native me, English is not my first language. I am working on the series of fascinating facts and continuously telling you why different letters have different sounds. Actually, languages are based on their phonetic system. Phonetic system means their sounds. Though there are 26 letters in English language, but there are 44 sounds, amazingly. So, most of the time, when you come across with a reading, there are a lot more words that have C, that you can see the letter, they are starting with the letter C. But when you try to pronounce them and when you get the help from the dictionaries, talking dictionaries or from the Oxford and Cambridge dictionaries, you get to know, if you know to use the symbol in the dictionaries, you get to know that these C letters are produced as K. How? Like the word is comb, cutting, curd, cart. Have you ever wondered that why C is giving you the K sound? Anyhow, English doesn't have C sound. C is pronounced as K. As I told you before, that there are different letters. If they are pronounced differently, they have the impacts and effects of other languages on them. When French invaded England, they used lots of effects on English language. So the ch word from Old Greek sound, the sh word from modern French. Same is the case with C. Latter has produced K, but this is totally the feature of English language itself. So C is pronounced with K. Why? And how will you know that the C is called will be pronounced K? So this is there is a little guide to understand if if the C has O, A, like these words, vowel words in front of them, the sound will turn into K. But again, the French invasion gave the C a soft sound, and you will not pronounce it as K. You will pronounce it as soft C sound. How? If the word is consider, you can see that there is vowel O and CI. So this C will not be pronounced as K. It will be soft C. Consider. Consider. Many of you get confused that this C is giving you the S sound, but S is fricative sound and it gives you S sound. So it's different from that. Consider. I forgot the words. Cider. Apple cider. Like the word is apple cider. And cinnamon. Cinnamon. Ceylon. If you will see that there are words I and Y after C, it will be pronounced as soft C sound. So C will give you K sound when you will check there. After that there are the words vowel words O, R, A. But if C has I sound in front of it or Y sound in front of it, it will give you the soft C sound. Hope this will increase your knowledge how language is built, how do they import effects of other languages in them. Same is the case with every language in the world. It has its origin, it has its derivation, it has taken different words from different languages. So how many different words? I have already discussed that it has taken many French words, many Greek words, Latin words, but there are very more interesting words that English has taken from Urdu and Hindi and kind of languages. I will discuss them in next video. Till then, goodbye to all of you.